Welcome back to Improve Autos. Imagine waking up to a different mountain view every single morning without ever leaving the comfort of your own bed. That's the promise of the 2026 Thor 4 Winds. Built on the legendary Ford E-Series chassis, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile base camp designed for families who want to explore the world without giving up their home comforts. For 2026, Thor has doubled down on tech, solar power, and interior luxury to make this the best-selling Class C on the market. If you've ever dreamt of the RV life, this might be the perfect place to start. Let's dive into the 2026 4 Winds. Exterior. The 2026 4 Winds features a sleek, aerodynamic exterior with vacuum-bond laminated walls and a one-piece fiberglass front cap that prevents leaks and looks premium for years. One of its standout features is the mega storage compartment found on the larger 28 and 31-foot models. It's big enough to hold bikes, grills, and all your camping gear in one organized space. You also get a massive power patio awning with integrated LED lighting, an exterior shower, and a built-in 100-watt solar charging system as standard. Interior. Step inside and you'll forget you're in a vehicle. The 2026 model features the new Nantucket Blue 2 interior decor, which feels bright, modern, and airy. The floor plans range from 20 feet to 32 feet, with some models like the 31E sleeping up to 7 people. You get a gourmet kitchen with a 12-volt refrigerator, a 3-burner gas cooktop, and an oven for those rainy day meals. The Dream Dinette and the cab overbunk provide extra sleeping space, while the master bedroom features a walk-around queen or king bed depending on the layout. With a tankless water heater and multiple smart TVs, it's like living in a luxury apartment that just happens to have wheels. Performance. Under the hood, you'll find the beast that makes this motorhome famous, the Ford 7.3-liter V8 engine, affectionately known as the Godzilla. It produces a stout 325 horsepower and a massive 450 pound-feet of torque, giving you plenty of power to climb steep mountain passes even while towing. For 2026, the larger floor plans now come standard with the SmoothTech suspension system, which significantly reduces road vibration and makes driving this 30-foot rig feel as easy as driving a standard pickup truck. 2026 pricing and market value. Now, let's talk about the investment. For 2026, the 4 Winds 19Z, the compact model, has an MSRP starting at approximately $123,060 USD. However, most dealers are offering street prices as low as $79,995. If you're looking at the top-tier 31E or 31H models with the full wall slides, the MSRP sits around $168,280, with real-world pricing landing between $115,000 and $125,000. Considering the Ford powertrain longevity and the Thor build quality, the resale value on these remains incredibly high. So, if you had a 4 Winds today, where's the first place you would drive to? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for more RV and car reviews.